Hello everyone, and welcome to another review by Emily Illustrator. Today we are going to be reviewing something that's not necessarily coloring supplies, but maybe something that might help you get organized with all of your supplies. We are going to be reviewing the Arteza 6-piece desk organizer set. In it, you can see we've got a cup holder, an area for, what could be letters, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in it. Spot for sticky notes, which is great for me because I'm always using sticky notes when I stream. You've got your business cards, a place for maybe some books or some paper, a place for some work in progress. So we're going to pull these out and we're going to take a look at them, and I'll show you how I'm going to use them for organization for all of my coloring things. These are obviously on the Arteza website. I have kind of a dark green pattern here, but there are multiple different kind of patterns on the sides and colors as well. So feel free to check those out. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Comes in this nice cardboard box. Inside you can see it's got all this bubble wrap, so it keeps everything nice and secure. And we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. Hear it popping as I pull it out. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and remove this first layer of bubble wrap. It's nice because it keeps it from, moving around too much in the box or maybe getting dented up. Okay, so our first piece here stands up. I'm gonna move these to the side here. Okay, so this is our first piece here. As you can see, it's got this nice shape here so that when you put something in here, it'll be easy for you to grab. This is kind of like the dark teal one on the bottom. You can see it's got these nice little foam pads so you don't have to worry about it scratching up your surface or anything. And you can keep some nice kind of, not necessarily the square coloring books, but for me, I like to keep things like my extra paper in here. Just like so. So this is like some sticker paper and some computer paper that I have, so it's great for storing that. It just goes in just like so. It's real smooth, nothing's scratched up, nothing's dented. I love it. All right, our next piece here. It's great how it's all packed because everything's kind of cradled in here. All right. Make sure we're all zoomed back here. This is the tray that you can keep on your desk. Comes in this little plastic bag here. Now, in a standard office setting, you would put your, going in or going out mail or things you're working on. You can see on the bottom, it also has these nice thick foam pads so nothing gets scratched up. And if you look here, you can see that it's got this little lip here, which tells me that you could actually purchase multiples of these and then stack them on top of one another. So for me, in my coloring book setting, I can use this to store my finished products. Like we have, like from our color palette, I've got my color theory class, and then finished ones as well as work in progress. You can just keep that kind of on the corner of the deck, and it keeps on the desk, and it keeps them from potentially getting bent or scratched, and it just keeps it in a nice, safe place. Then after that, we have got our handy dandy little sticky note holder. Now, I am always taking notes during stream because half the time I can't remember ideas that we've had on stream. We'll make notes anyway, and then I keep them all over my desk. But this will be great because now I can just keep these nestled in here rather than floating around and trying to find it while I'm streaming. This makes it great because I've just got them in a handy little container I can keep right up here at the top of my desk. In fact, that's where it's going to go right now. Then we have got a nice pencil cup with, oh, look at that. It's got a nice foam ring on the bottom. I like that. It's not just like a couple little foam pads that maybe, might make it off balance, but it's a nice full foam circle. And I love the design on these too, and the green is so pretty. They're all color coordinated, so it looks great. So say I've finished a picture And I want to keep track of my work in progress pencils. And there you go. It's got a solid bottom, so you don't have to worry about the pencils falling out through the bottom. And it matches just like all those other ones. Then we have this one. Now normally on an office desk, this could be used for, you know, your letters or other, you know, pieces of paper that you need to keep track of. But for me, for my coloring, what's handy is when I have, say, like a little pack of these. It can go just right in here. I've got my little Johanna bookmark. You can go here. And I mean, who doesn't always need stamps? And we got stamps right in here. And everything is perfectly organized. And then the last piece that we have with this is the business card holder, which is perfect for me because I recently reordered some new business cards. It's in the same pattern as the others, as you can see. And I've just been keeping them in the box. I haven't had a great place to store them. But now we can just pop them right on here. So you got my little Emily Illustrator here. I just pop it right on here and it looks super stylish. I love that it's not just your standard black with, you know, that's just tiny little holes, but it's got a little design to it also. So those are the 6 pieces. Just to recap, we've got the business card holder. We've got the sticky note holder here. Pencils. This one for other little various office knickknacks. And then we have our tray for our work in progresses. I mean, if anybody's watched my streams, they know I love organization, and so all of this is just right up my alley, to be sure. I love that everything's organized. I can find things when I need to. And then the last piece is this one here, our file folder. But for me, I like to store my packs of paper in here as well. So if you are looking for something to help you organize your desk or your coloring area a little bit better, this would be something to take a look at. We have the Arteza Black Friday sales coming up. And then also, if you happen to miss that, I am going to have a code in the description below for 10% off. So if you miss Black Friday, feel free to take advantage of that. Just a quick reminder, I do stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Mondays and Wednesdays, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. U.S. Central Time, as well as Fridays at 8:30 p.m. U.S. Central Time. We color, we chat, we just in general have fun. Usually some laughs are had, and we just kind of we hang out. It's great. So feel free to check that out if you like. If you like the content that you have here or you enjoy the live streams, feel free to hit that subscribe button, like this video, turn on that little notification bell, and yeah, I can't wait to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.